everybody, Kelsey Hattisall, Horticulture Agent for River Valley District. I wanted to give you a couple quick tips about some gardening here, as hopefully you're going to make it through this winter snap that we're having for the next couple days. So right now, if you haven't covered your garden plants last night, I'd probably cover your garden plants tonight and then plan to cover them again Sunday night. It's looking like we're going to have a potential chance for a little bit of freeze and a cold snap, but luckily we're going to warm up in the day, so it shouldn't be too bad. But like I always say, if it's something you like and you want to keep it, you might want to cover it up. By covering it up, you can put a blanket over it, put a mineral tub over it for you farmers out there. I know you got lots of mineral tubs sticking around. Put a mineral tub over it, set a rock on top so it won't blow away, and call it good. Just making sure that moisture doesn't settle on your plants is what's going to help it keep from getting too frosty in the next couple days. Once we get through this rainy patch next week, the way it looks, we want to make sure our gardens don't have a crusty layer. So what a crusty layer is, once it dries out and you get a little bit of crust formed on the top and it gets hard, you take a rake or a hoe and just break it up a little bit. That way it's not too hard and the water can soak back through. If you haven't planted your garden yet, are new to gardening, or would just like to know more information about gardening, we have this great publication called the Kansas Garden Guide. The Kansas Garden Guide was put together to tell Kansas gardeners a little bit about everything in gardening. We have soil amenity recommendations, we have mulching recommendations, we even talk what insects you typically see in your garden. My favorite part about this book is the planting calendar in the back. It tells you what type of plant you want to plant and when to plant it. So it shows right here that you can plant cabbage in April and you'll be harvesting it in June and July. Or you can plant your melons in late April to beginning of May and you'll be harvesting them in August and September. This is just a great resource for any gardener. Once we get through this rain, get out, get those gardens planted, enjoy some outside warmer temperatures, and enjoy the springtime. If you have any questions, give me a call at 785-325-2121. Thank you.